Hi there, welcome to this video. Today we're going to learn how to create an activity with GimKit. So you go to your searcher, you write GimKit, and you choose the first option. To sign up, you can do it with your email account. In this case, I already have my account, so I'm just going to log in, but it's going to be the same step with Google. So I'm just going to choose my Google account where I already created my user here in GimKit. Okay, I'm going to choose this option, and now we're just going to wait for a few seconds, and then we are going to create our first activity with GimKit. Okay, let's choose one more time our email account. Okay, so now I'm here in the platform. As you can see, we have some activities here, but we are going to create a new kit. So I have to click on new kit. I'm going to write the name. So for example, we're going to learn about badges. Okay, badges. I'm going to fill out all these spaces, and then we're going to choose next. We can create or just add an image, and we're going to add the first question. In the question, we're going to write, for example, what is responsibility, for example. So here I'm going to add my question, the possible answers, and here you can choose the right answer. Or for example, you can add here like the paragraph or the definition of responsibility, for example, and students choose what responsibility is. So what is the concept? So here is going to be the definition, and here the concept. So I'm going to fill out this, and I'm going to show you how does it work. Okay, here I just have the definition of responsibility. So it means you do the things you are supposed to do and accept the result of your actions. So what value is that? Love, respect, responsibility, solidarity. So in this case, the answer is responsibility. So that's why I choose the right question. So here I can add a photo, I can add audio. These are the most important things. So then I just add my question, and now we are going to click here on all done, and this is my activity. I can still edit them. So here I have my question. In here I can add another question, like I can add 10 or 12 questions. When I have everything here, so I'm going to click on here. So then I can play alive. So my students are going to join in my activity or assign as homework. But in this case, you need to upgrade your account. But playing in live session is really funny, and students create their avatars as well. So this is really good. Here we just set up these aspects that required, and then you can play your game with your students. They are just going to log in with a code or with a link that you can share with them. So this is GimKit. It's really funny, really meaningful as well, and your students are going to love playing this kind of games. So try yourself creating your own activities with GimKit. So I hope you like it. Create your own and have fun.